Good morning, traders. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. Today is July 19th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click on the little bell so you can get a notification on when we go live, because we don't always go live at the same time. If you do follow our trades, you will be doing so at your own risk. We're not liable for any losses or damages. This is pure entertainment. All right. Looks like it's gonna be a challenging day. All right, disclaimer out of the way. Let's go over some numbers here. So we got VPOC at 3840.75. Short targets 3841, 3832, 3822, 3802, and finally 3800. Long targets 3871, which we're already past, but it could become support. 3895, 3900, 3907, 3918, and 3933. We have support at 3850 and 3800. We have resistance at 3900 and 3910. Okay, let's go over a little bit of yesterday. So I said it on Friday, I said it yesterday, and it happened. I said that Friday's low was weak and the market needed to retest that, and I got out of my trade way too early, but I have to admit I was tired. Sunday I slept, I napped too long on Sunday, and I couldn't sleep Sunday night. I didn't fall asleep till 3 in the morning, woke up at 5, so I was zoned out and tired yesterday. I couldn't wait to stop trading. So otherwise I would have taken a chance, but that's long gone. But that target is still alive, guys. That target is still alive. That move to the downside was a weak move, so it created a lot of areas that needs to be filled. So we have a couple areas on the downside that needs to be filled. Here we are. Oops, is it gonna show? It's not gonna show on this chart, but so we have from 43 to 42 needs to be filled. We have a 40 to 39 needs to be filled, and that is where our overnight VPOC is. And then we have single prints from 32 all the way down to 38.19. So those are magnets. Is it gonna happen today? I don't know. It can. I think there's gonna be very hard to pass 39, even though we're positive and the market has been driving long most of the overnight. I think it's going to be difficult. And then we have areas that need to be filled exactly where the market is. So between 78 and 66, I think the market is going to go sideways in this area for quite some time. I think that we're going to get a drive north all the way to probably either 38.95 or 3900, and then I think it's going to drop like a anchor. I'm seeing that. I could be completely wrong, because I think the market still wants to go to 4,000, but I think it's going to wait for FOMC. So I don't think it's going to happen yet. I think that we're going to be in this range still, the 3,900 and 3,800. But there is areas that needs to be filled from yesterday. So from 3905 all the way to 3902. So we may get a drive up at the opening. So I'm going to look for a pullback to go long at the opening, but I'm going to take my time, because I think it could drop any second. So most likely I'll be looking for shorts, but I'm not gonna be biased, because hey, trading is random and we could just pass that 3,900 and go all the way to 3,950. Okay, but it's going to be interesting to see how the market deals with 3,900 and 3,850. I think again we might do the same thing as yesterday, sideways in the morning, and then finally someone says, okay, I'm done, do what you want, and boom, market either explodes up or explodes down, either up or falls down. Okay, so challenging day. Do not over leverage yourself. And I got an email from Ninja yesterday, and they have again brought back margins to what it was, so not double margins anymore for intraday and overnight. So risk is off. So I don't know what's going on, why they thought that I needed to go and raise risk, because last week it wasn't so volatile. Maybe they were afraid of the options expiration, but I don't know. All right, guys, let's get started here. Sound is on. We are good to go. All right, we got 5 minutes here. Yeah, I was a little bit bummed when I saw it drop, and I go, oh man, I'm not on it. I've been calling that 38.20 for 2 days, and I'm not on the trade. But I was so tired. I saw it happen, but I was like, man, I don't want to deal with trading anymore. I was done, had my breakfast, and I just watched it. But it was nice to see that I was correct. All right, let me turn. Let's go over the calendar. So nothing really big. There's a Government Bailey speaks in England at 10:45 my time. So I think that's 2:45 in the afternoon, right? 11, 12, 1, 1:45 in the afternoon, New York, and that's about it. Nothing else in the calendar. So if anything happens, it will be news. It will be a new event. Yeah, at 5:30 this morning, the market exploded up 25 points. 25 points. Nice move, and that was on nothing. I mean, there was building permits and housing starts, but that's usually weak. So, all right, we got 1 minute here.
Sweet.
Okay, charts are ready.
Sweet.
We're gonna be opening up in the area that needs to be filled. So I'm looking again for a pullback to probably a 72. It's starting already. Maybe even
Sweet.
Even 68. Or it could just explode up and I won't catch it, and I'm fine with it. All right, POC opening up at 71.75, and it rose from. So again, this may be the pullback. It was at 63 even, and here it is dropping like I said it would. Now, where do we get in? That is the $1 million question. Where do we get in? All right, let me do my range. looking at a 45-point range. 45-point range. So, oh, God, I gotta look away here. Oh, come on, phone. All right, to the upside. Oh, I think I missed the pullback. I was looking at my phone. Bummer. All right, whatever. But that could be the pullback there. All right, so range to the downside consists of areas that need to be filled. It's at 38. All right, I'm gonna start with 2 contracts only, just in case I get it wrong here and it wants to go all the way down. But we're already starting to fill in the area, so it may mess around in here before it decides. So we have our overnight value area high right underneath us. So, oh, it moved up while with that move. Okay, so prior to 6 o'clock it was at 60.75 and now it's at 63. I'm gonna move it up, but so it went up 3 points. All right, this is looking dangerous right here. It looks like entrapment. I'll be happy with missing the move here. What the hell is it? Okay. So if it drives up, I'm fine. I will not take it, because this looks dangerous. But it could be looking like a triangle south, but then the move would be up. Let's see how it reacts up here. Yep, yeah, that's right. We have a gap. So yesterday's close was 34. So let me mark that gap. So 75, right? 75 to 34 is the gap. Forgot to mention that. Thank you, Neto. Appreciate that. So if you guys ever hear me speak a different language, I do have traders who tune in from Brazil. I am Brazilian, so if you ever hear me speaking another language, it's not that I'm trying to hide anything from anybody. It's just that I'm communicating with some of the guys from South America that don't speak English. All right, so let's see if we can get some Pac-Man going here. Ooh, it did not show. Why is that? Same thing as yesterday. I gotta pull it more in. Oh, I did the wrong one, that's why. Cancel. God, I have to keep looking away from the chart. Shit. Alright, I did the wrong one. Load gap. Okay, okay. And this one here is regular blue. Alright, here we go. So not only do we have a gap, but we have volume areas that need to get filled. And here we are. As I said, I think it's gonna be in this area for a while. Filling in, trapping people. Now the explosion will be fast. So So we have our stats high, which we are now. So visiting the overnight high is done. We have already done that. So now the stat is over because we just made a new high. And that was a violent move right there. So I think it's going north. All right, I'm gonna take a stab here, but this is dangerous. I do not think it's ready to go up. Oh, and then it's not working. Oh, shoot. All right, I gotta stop here. I need to get out of this. My replicator is not on. I'm only on this trade. All right, took me out. All right.
Sweet. Sweet.
All right, as I thought, that was a risky trade.
Sweet.
I almost took the long here. Almost, but
Sweet.
all right, I'm gonna try it again. Again, risky trade, guys. Risky trade. Risky trade. Here comes the pain again. Give myself a little more risk here. Yep, I am just front running this long here, making a mistake. And I'm gonna get, it's gonna take me out again.
Sweet.
All right, I am not being patient.
Sweet.
All right. All right. I said it was gonna happen, and I keep forcing it. All right, I'm negative 45 bucks. $91. Negative $91. So even though this area is moving low already, it's starting to Pac-Man and the gap too, I believe that it still needs to fill a little more. Alright, I'm gonna wait until it starts to show me more of a hand, and I may miss the move here unless I see it really clear. But as of now, I think it's gonna be choppy.
Sweet.
No, that could have been it, but they're selling at POC. So yesterday was quite unique. Not only did we Pac-Man yesterday's gap, but Friday's gap. 2 gaps in one day. That is insane. So it looks like it's correcting from the 530 drop. I mean, the 530 drive up to the 70s. and we had opened up with positive delta, and we are negative almost 3,000 already. Okay, so it may challenge. It may challenge the overnight
Sweet.
value high before we go up, but the move would be let's see, yeah, it's gonna challenge that.
Sweet.
All right, I'm gonna take a little short here. I'm gonna take a little short, and I'm gonna go to yesterday's value area bottom, which is 59. So my risk reward here is pretty. I'm risking 60 to make 102. Not perfect, but I'll make my loss back and pay for commission. And if I can, I'm gonna add another 2. But POC now is at 75, so I am in risk to lose my stop here. I am at risk. Now, it may stop at the value area. Come on, let's go. All right, I'm gonna have to give myself a little more room here. I need to hide behind a volume node. So this is horrible. This is horrible risk versus reward. So now I'm risking 82 to make 100.
Sweet.
Not good. And they're buying. Hopefully I'll have an opportunity to add, and then I'll bring my stop down. I'll split them. All right, they're starting to show interest on the downside, but there's a lot on the upside too. Wow. A lot of interest at 80, 75, 78.
Sweet.
All right, some sellers are coming in, but not much. And we lost almost half of our delta. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Not a good start here. I'm gonna have to chase my losses here.
Sweet. Sweet.
So we opened in balance. So what does that mean? The market wants to go out of balance. It should mess around a little bit inside of her balance area, fill in volume, and then it wants to break out of balance. I said that yesterday, and it showed in the afternoon. Market was in balance all morning, boom, exploded to the downside, broke out of balance. Come on, let's go. Right, they're adding above. They're trying to drive it up. Yeah, we are inside a large low volume node in a weekly chart, and it's just filling it in. If I don't get stopped down, I get filled with this, I'll probably split it and I'll look. Maybe I'll scale one at 63 and one at 56. Or maybe all four at 59. I'm gonna see how it reacts at 64. But then it might be too late, and it may pull back from value area high. Yeah, I should have waited with those two other trades. I said it was going to happen, it was going to get choppy, and I did not listen to myself. So now I'm negative 93. But I'm very happy with this current trade here. Might have gone in a little too late. The proper area, it should have been at 74, but I was doing something else. I was writing a quick email to my broker, but I should have gone short here. All right, let's see if that volume node holds. So we're done with one stat already. We made a new high. Come on, hold. I'm gonna give it one more tick up. But I think it's gonna be useless. Yeah, there's 263 orders waiting at 80.
Sweet.
Oh, they're selling. They are selling. 323 contracts just went through. Come on, come on. This could be it. This could be it. We're right at POC. Oh man, I am tempted to add here, but I am scared. It could just be an algo bot clearing to go long. And that's what it was. Yeah, it was a robot.
Sweet.
It was a robot clearing trades. So it looks like it took a whole bunch of stops of people that were going long here, and it picked up fuel. All right, negative 179. Oh man, I hate these early morning chases. So maybe this would have been a long. All right, here is the drive to 95. Let's see how it reacts at 80. So in the morning I said I was gonna look for pullbacks to go long. This could have been it right here.
Sweet.
Yep,
Absorption.
that was it. Oh man, if I wasn't on that trade, I would have taken that. That's it.
Absorption.
That was the move. All right, I'm gonna look for a pullback here. But I think I missed it. I think I missed it. That
Sweet.
sucks.
Sweet.
Yeah, here's the drive north. All right, so if it keeps going, we need to see how it reacts at 95 and 3,900. All right, so all of those single prints in that area are mostly done. There's only a sliver left right here. So I should have stayed on my plan, and I didn't. So I gotta make note of that, put it in my journal.
Sweet.
I did not follow my own plan. I was too anxious.
Sweet.
Those are definitely FOMO trades. So not good. All right. You keep note of that. I did not follow
Sweet.
my own plan. If you don't journal, you should. It's the only time I journal is trading. But it's the only way you learn from your mistakes. And you gotta read them in the morning. In the afternoon, after you're done trading, you need to go over what you did wrong at the end of the day, and then you have to go and write what you're gonna do different tomorrow, and then the next day in the morning you gotta read it and say, okay, that's what I did wrong yesterday, and I'm gonna follow the plan. that I set from yesterday, and I'm not going to make the same mistake. Right, looking for a pullback here. So even though the market had that huge fall, all of that was with no volume at all. So yesterday's VPOC is still at 38.92. So that is a magnet. So market is gonna go where the volume is. Okay, this could be an entry here, guys. This could be an entry here. All right, I'm gonna. Oh man, I do not. All right, this could be it. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna keep this short. Gonna keep this short and sweet, but they're trying to hold this market here. So our first target to the upside now is going to be 95. All right, I need to be at 78. What am I risking? I'm risking 60 to make 90.
Sweet.
If we get a pullback, I may add. I may add at 80. Actually, it should be at 81. 81. I think I just missed it. High risk adding here. I'm gonna have to move it down to 76. Hopefully this was a stop pick here, but I have POC underneath me at 75.
Sweet.
Oh, they're going for a drive to opening price. All right, I'm gonna extend my risk here.
Sweet.
Oh, they're selling. All right, if I see it drive up, I'm gonna add another tip. Okay, my risk reward right now is horrible. Absolutely horrible. I'm even. Risking 200 to make 205. That is terrible. All right, here we go. Come on. Pull back long. All right. First half hour PO initial balance is in.
Sweet. Sweet.
Here we go.
Sweet.
We gotta pass 82. 82 is the line in the sand. 82. We'll pass 82. I think it's gonna go. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. 82 is the line in the sand.
Sweet.
They're trying to block it. They are trying to block it. Come on, let's go. Picking up steam. Positive delta again. So I'm tempted to see if we'll go to 3,900. But 95 will be a challenge.
Sweet.
95 is going to be hard to pass. There's 487 orders waiting at 3,900. I am tempted. or at least leave a runner. I am tempted. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I hope I'm not being greedy. Well, let's see how it reacts at 94. Let's see how it reacts at 94. All right, so now I'm looking to make $500.
Sweet.
Here we go, guys. This is the move. Risking
Sweet.
300 to make 95. Ooh, volatility. Let me turn my squawk box on. Something just happened. That looks like news. This looks like news, guys.
On Thursday, but we reduced levels.
That looks like a news
Sweet.
move. That just broke out. All right, so it could even go up higher. There's that single print all the way to 95. I mean 39.05.
Sweet.
All right, almost back in the green here.
Sweet.
They are trying to block at 90. They just added a whole ribbon of orders from
support. So one source did note that Gazprom will return to levels seen before July the 11th. Whilst one of the sources said the turbine was unlikely to be reinstalled by July 21st.
I think it was this gas news, but Nord Stream 1 is seen restarting gas flows following annual maintenance. I don't know if it would have done that, but all right, they're trying to block it at 90. We may get another good push here. Tempted to add two more here. I am tempted.
Sweet.
Oh, now they're selling. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hopefully this is a stop pick. Come on, here we go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's clear 85. We got to clear 85. 85 is the number. Come on, let's go.
Sweet.
Now some 2.5% for the future. Absence and notable upside in Uniper shares are following this news.
Delta is rising. Come on. Just take that 85.
Sweet.
Well, they're playing hard to get here.
Sweet.
They're buying again. This could be the move here. They keep selling at 85.
Sweet.
Well, they keep selling at 85. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. I am tempted. All right. I'm going to take a chance here. Here we go, boys and girls.
From this latest update regarding Nord Stream 1. In terms of a broader market update, I've seen the Bunds making recession lows after extending further south on 151, with some of the initial downside emanating from that sources report earlier this session, suggesting that the ECB could debate a 25 or 50 basis.
If we pass 90, it's going to go straight to 94.
Soft on the session to the tune of 0.8%, but off worse levels. The early low point was 106.37, currently at 106.56, with some of the more sensitive currencies are faring better than peers. And elsewhere, alongside the bit of uptick in sentiment, the crude complex just trimming some of the earlier losses, with WTI just poking its head above at $99 a barrel. And then elsewhere, the stateside, ES&P, that's just continuing to grind higher, and up to 38 to 89. We did reach the floating around 100 to the upsides, and then at yesterday's peak at 39.09.5 will come into view.
Come on, let's go. So we do have a POC from yesterday at 94. So it's gonna hit that,
Sweet.
breach it a little bit, and then let's see how it reacts at 95. All right, I'm in the green. Here we go, here we go. So this is what I should have waited for, and now I'm chasing 172 in losses. Dumbass me. I said it was gonna happen, and I was not patient. All right, there's 245 orders waiting at 94. Now there's 619 orders waiting at 3,900. So 3,900 is our first resistance.
Sweet.
And then 39.10. If it passes 39.10, it's gonna go all the way to 31, even 50. All right, here we go. Drive up. Go, 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 go. Explode. Come on, stop playing hard to get. Let's go. Right, this may turn into a little support area right here. Here we go, here we go. If we pass 90 again, it's just gonna explode up. Looks like it's trying to pick stops at 87. Here we go, here we go. Come on, here we go, let's go. 90. Explode up. Once it breaks, it's gonna go straight to 94. There it is. Now it could all end at 95. But I think it would like to test 3,900. All right, come on. Let's go. All right, I'm already up 250.
Previously, South China Morning Post
Sweet.
titled China to deny inviting you.
Come on.
The sources confirm an approach has been made. So when asked about the Chinese Foreign Ministry's denial, a well-placed source confirms that the EU member states have been approached about a potential visit in November and are currently deliberating how to deal with the issue. The source said invitations were still informal and were expected to be formalised later in the
Oh,
year.
it's going, it's gonna go.
This morning, China's Foreign Minister got reports that China...
It's gonna go. They are buying. Look at Delta, 5,000. Wow. Why is that Delta so weird? I don't understand why it's chopped up. All right. So I'm only negative 69. All right, here comes the danger. We're just about to set IB. We may get a reversal here. This is bad timing. Hopefully we will hit 3,900 and then there will be a pullback. It's too much coincidence at IB here. So I am tempted to just clear everything at 3,950. All right, I'm positive. Come on, come on. Let's go. Man, I would have been up $500 if it wasn't for that stupid mistakes this morning. Oh. Gotta have patience. Gotta have patience. Got 1 minute for IB. I think it's gonna hit 3,900 right before IB. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. If it doesn't, it's gonna pull back. Come on, come on. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Go, go, go. All right, I have a feeling it's gonna pull back. All right, IB is in. IB is in. So now we have IB stats, but we're still charging. And POC has moved up. Moved up from 75 all the way up here to 96.50. So now we're gonna have that pullback because now it will probably want to test prior IB. Oh man, we missed it by 3 points. Yeah, it's gonna pull back. Come on, let's finish this. Let's finish this. Come on, charge, 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 go. $634 orders waiting at 3,900. Come on, charge. If it hits 3,900 and it pulls back, I may add on the pullback. But it could be resistance. Hopefully there's enough steam to go to 3,905, but it could all end at 3,900. But again, Resistance and support is based on where the market closed at the end of the day. It's not while we are trading. I mean, it's there, but if it held or not is based at the end of the day. So if we close underneath 3,900, then resistance held. But we could breach it, go even all the way up to 3,950, and then if we close under 3,900, then we could still say that resistance held. It's trying to charge up. Man, so close. So, as I mentioned, 95 is a tough area. So this would be the perfect area for pull back and then do the initial high break. So this is perfect time for a correction all the way down to 80. Man, oh man, come on. I'm tempted to clear 2 contracts here. All right. I gotta split this. I'll just rebuy more. I want to be in the green, but most likely there will be a pullback to either 85 or 90. Look at Delta, 4,300. Right, so far I've had a really good read on the market. I'm the one that made mistakes. And that is with my executions. So good read on the market. So pre-market study, fantastic. Good read on the market. Just my execution, horrible execution. So that I need to take a note on. I need to improve on my execution. All right, guys, I need to go and take a restroom break. I'll be back. Hopefully my stop will survive. All right, I'll be back. I need a restroom break. nothing like a perfect place to retrospect. So I need to focus on sticking to my plan and execution. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. All right, so first target hit. Well, it's our second target, but we opened up. All right, so IB stat is in. Chances are we're gonna break the IB high. So I am tempted. If we stopped so close from 3,900, I think it's gonna push higher. So I'm gonna take a chance here. Hopefully I'm not being greedy. Hopefully I am not being greedy. But we did not get close enough. I mean, I'm sorry, we got so close. So it did not bounce off of resistance. So to me, this is a red flag that we're gonna go through 3,900 and test 3,905 and probably 3,910. Yesterday's high is 3,905. I mean 09 and a quarter. So let me take a look at that. That is a week low. I mean a week high. So the market never tested the overnight high, which was at 9.5. So 3,900 and 9.5. So that could be where the market goes, and from there it fails. So it could be a good target. It could be a good target, but I'm gonna be safe and I'm gonna raise it to 7. So we have 2 of our targets here. This will be a nice little trade if it happens. Come on. This will be a nice little trade if it happens. I am tempted to add 2 more here, but I am not going to. But I am tempted. I am so tempted. $94 could have been the area to add. Not a recommendation. This is pure entertainment. But I am tempted to add here. There could be a stop pick going on right now to go up. This could have just been a stop pick. Oh my God, I'm so tempted here. Oh. All right. This could be a bad move. It may want to test prior POC. This could be a bad move here. I should have added it. Oh, man. Ugh. I knew that 94 was a good ad. There it goes. Yep. That was a good ad. I don't think it'll come down anymore, but I think I missed the opportunity. We just did a new high. Bummer. Oh man. Man, I'm doing really well with my ES now. I am in the profits. Oh, it may bring me in here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So this might have been the IB stat, guys. Now I'm starting to get scared here. Now that I think about it, it just broke IB, didn't go anywhere. So if it doesn't keep going, I'm in trouble. So IB stat is over. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go, here we go. Let's see how it reacts at 3,900.
To energy, the capacity of Belgian
Sweet.
nuclear power stations has been halved due to heat.
Oh, they're trying to stop 3,900. They're trying to stop it. Man, I hope I'm not being greedy here. Oh man. I hope I'm not being greedy. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some stop management here. Alright, if it falls on my face, I'll be flat. I'll be even. So if it falls on my face, I would have paid for all of my losses. So not where I want to be, but I gotta take this chance. It could just explode up. So on top, not only do we have areas that need to be filled, we have yesterday's value area high. We got 3,900. So lots to bring the market up, but trading is random. Alright guys, I need to look at an email here. I'm expecting an email back from my broker. I gotta say, Ninja brokerage support sucks. They're horrible. They are horrible.
Sweet.
Here we go guys, here we go. Then look back at the chart. Come on, come on. $737 orders waiting. If it goes right through all the way to 302, it's gonna go to target.
Sweet.
They gotta take it all. Go, 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 go. They're pulling some. Here it is, here it is. There it is, there it is. Oh yeah, keep going, keep going. They're buying, they're buying. Ooh, only 6.2 went through. But there's still 600 and a quarter waiting. Come on, sweep right through. Go, go. Wow, it's having a hard time. Come on, take it all. There it is.
Absorption.
There it is. Okay, that's gone. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it reacts at 05. Wow, they bought it all.
Bailey ahead of his address late.
They bought it all. 449. Now they just add another 355. Come on, come on. That was a huge buy. So we have our extension range target all the way up at 20. It could keep going up to 20. So we have our high from July 8th, which is 39.22. This could be the target. But then we have on the 7th, there's the high of 39.14. So I don't know. Man, I am tempted to split this and leave a runner. I am tempted. Oh man. Yesterday I missed out on my runner. All right, we are filling in areas right here. We are filling in. Pac-Man to the upside. Pac-Man to the upside. Gobbling away. We came almost a point away from our next target. I hope somebody paid attention when I said I'm gonna add. If you weren't long, that should have been the area that you should have went long. I mean, I can't not give advice, but sometimes it's encrypted in what I say. I'm not a professional. This is pure entertainment. All right, I need to protect myself, but we may have at any second here, there could be a pullback to initial balance. Pick up stops to go back up. Right, they just added There are 220 orders waiting at 05 and a quarter. Wow, my ES trade is awesome. Let's go. Another great ES day. All right, let's see how it reacts at the end here at 05. I am tempted to bring my stop up, but it could come all the way down to 90, take me out, and drive back up again. All right. Looks like the pullback is starting. It could be a violent one too. But it could be also too early to test 3,900 to go under, because it's going to have a hard time going up again. So buyers are going to do everything they can to stay above 3,900. So there will be a battle right here. There will be a battle right here. It is too early to go under 3,900. POC now is at 94 and a quarter. So it dropped a little bit. So this is the line in the sand. This is the battle. Oh man. Was I greedy? I do not want to leave any money on the table here. This hike could have been it, guys. All right, I cannot leave this money on the table. I may have, yeah, I just can't. I just can't. I may be shooting myself in the foot here. But, and I'm right at POC. All right. Whatever. So, I'll close with 350. So they're gonna do everything they can to stop it. So if they do that, if it resists, I think we'll probably go to the high. All right. So perfect time to test IB high, but the bulls do not want to see it go under 3,900 so early. In the afternoon, okay, after lunch, okay, but now it would be disastrous because it will need a lot of fuel to pass 3,900 again. It will be a challenge. So this may be the end of staying above 3,900. Unless it just finds a lot of stops at the mid or in the 90s. But from my experience, it is too early to go under. And here it is. Here's the drive. I hope I am correct. But from experience, this is what I see. This could be an area to add also, but it's high risk since we're so close to IB where there will be stops in this area here. So high risk area to add, but it could be a good idea. But I'm not going to. Here we go. Here we go. If we don't see a new high here, it's gonna go to IB. There it is. So as I thought, they're gonna fight to stay above 3,900 for a while. It doesn't mean it's gonna hold. Doesn't mean it's gonna hold, but come on, let's go. Two ticks from target, and we have reached our second target or third target. Next target 07. Wish had the balls to add it here, but no. I was afraid. Too early in the game. Fourth target reached. All right, I'm gonna be a little less greedy here. I'm gonna go to 50. Cagada. Cagadinha. Come on, go. Oh. Yes, hit it. Come on. Oh, come on. Yes! Woohoo! $849. All right, guys, I'm going to take a break. So not only did I make back my $174, I am up $849. Yeah! Woohoo! Nice! Nice. Nice. That was awesome. All right, so it could be going all the way to the high of the 8th. Yeah, tô pensando seriamente. Eu já tinha pensado nisso. All right, I am killing it with my ES. Almost 5 grand. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break here. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna take my dog for a walk. All right, so our long targets, we had 3871 gone, 3895 gone, 3900 gone, 3909 gone. And only thing I've left is 3918 and 3933. I think it will pull back now to initial balance, or at least to 3900. It might drive up to 10, but I don't know. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break. Starting out the week in good shape. Take my doggy for a walk. That was awesome. Woohoo! All right, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I decided to end my day. I have gained back what I lost on Friday, and I think that is enough for me today. So I'm gonna end my day. So look out for our targets on the upside. So it could either stop here because of the prior highs. Why didn't I mark 18? 18. And 33 is marked, so it could end here. Be careful with a pullback to 3,900 or even initial balance. If it goes under 3,900, it could be it. There's a lot of reasons for the market to go under, again, 3,850. So I think the rest of the day is going to be challenging. But there's going to be a lot of reasons. If it doesn't fall today, mark my words, write it down. There's going to be a lot of reasons for the market to come down tomorrow. Yes, that's right. Yep. Thank you, Pete. So, warning, rest of the day I think is gonna be challenging. And straight, look at that, straight to the high. So, it's gonna need a lot of fuel to pass these highs. So be careful. All right, I'm gonna take my money and run out. My chips are in my pocket and I am not gonna play anymore. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe so you can click on the little bell so you can get a notification of when I go live, because I don't go always live at the same time. Please help the algo and click thumbs up so other traders can join us. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Keep your profits. All right, I'll see you in the Thunderdome. Thank you.